So do keto supplements really work? And what supplements to take on keto? These are things we're going to be looking at in this video. But first of all, I'd like to look at what keto is all about. Well, not in too much detail because that's for other videos, but the basic principle of a keto diet is to get your body to use your fat stores as energy as opposed to using your carbohydrates that you've been used to eating, which is an easily get-atable source of energy for your body. So that's the first place it goes to. The unfortunate thing with that is that the carbs that are not used up then all get stored as fat. So that's why the ketogenic diet really does work so effectively on losing that belly and all the other fat that you have around your body. Now, first I have to put in a disclaimer. I am not a doctor like a chiropractor or audiologist who are doctors apparently, but no, I'm not a doctor. I've practiced natural therapies for over 20 years. I have a good understanding of the medical arena, if you like, but I believe conventional medicines and alternative therapies can work together to achieve wonderful things for our bodies. So let's get on. So back to, do keto supplements work? Now the easy answer and cop-out is yes and no, which I notice a lot of these videos tend to do. Well, I believe they actually can work for many reasons, and I'll explain some of them, but it's important to look at what they actually have, the content of them. I will also add that the ketogenic diet, if you are doing the ketogenic diet, it is far better to do without any supplement whatsoever. But it's easy to say. I was a smoker for many years, that's going back over 30 years now, and I was always told you should stop smoking. It doesn't work like that. If somebody tells you that you need to do something, you don't do it. You need to be able to tell yourself, get that understanding. And it's the same with dieting. It's not good somebody saying to you, saying you need to lose that fat. You know that. We all know this. We all know what we need to be doing. It's when we convince ourselves that the magic can happen and we get on and do it. So, which supplement do you take? Well, I'm not going to go on and name brands because it's not about that, but we're just looking in general. Now, I will leave a link for one that I think is reasonable in terms of price and effectiveness. That's the most important thing. One of the key parts of these keto supplements is that they need to contain beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB, which is a chemical that is made in the body and provides energy when not enough carbohydrates or sugars have been eaten. BHB can also be made in the lab and taken as a supplement. It seems to help the brain and nerves work better. It might also provide energy to muscles to improve exercise ability. Now, it's used in many treatments, is BHB, from dry eye to athletic performance, migraine, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease. There's lots of things that this is used in helping to treat. Now, one of the big issues I have with alternative therapies, which I would class as supplements and alternative therapy, is that there is very little research carried out. And why would there be? Because the large pharmaceutical companies carry out the research for their expensive drugs. There's no gain for them for people to use alternative therapies. That's my take on it anyway. Back to beta-hydroxybutyrate in an easy to use supplement form. Will it work? Well, many real life studies have shown it to work, and the company that use it in their supplement has verified consumers who had success with it. Okay, everyone is different, and it's not to say that it would work for you, but the most important point here is the testimonials are verified. I looked at over 30 so-called supplement companies, and the majority all had fake testimonials. Now, with technology now, it's relatively easy to prove these fakes. I must do a video on this one day, but really, if a company uses fakes, they're in full public glare, what does it say about their supplements? Because I believe you can only tell one lie, and then everything else you cannot believe. So, to conclude, do keto supplements really work? Yes, they can do. Should you take them? Well, that is your choice, but it helps And if it helps, should I say, on your keto diet lifestyle, then why not? I will say though that they can only assist. You will still need to put some effort in and eat the right things. Getting started on a keto lifestyle is easy. It really is. Once you get into it, and the quicker you get into ketosis state, the quicker your body will use your fat you have stored. Now I've put a link to a free 7-way step to achieve ketosis in the description, because that's what you need to be achieving. Okay, if you use the supplement, that's fine. Whatever way you decide to go though, I wish you all good luck, good health, and look forward to seeing you in another video. Take care from me, David.